To install YouTube TV on your Vizio Smart TV, start by ensuring your TV is connected to the internet. Open the SmartCast home screen on your Vizio TV. Then navigate to the App Store. Click on the App Store to open it and search for YouTube TV. Once you have found the YouTube TV app, select it and click the Install App button. Wait for the app to download and install. This may take a few moments. After the installation is complete, click the Open button to launch the YouTube TV app. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, you can create one for free. Enter your Google account credentials and click Sign In. If you are already signed in to your Google account on your TV, you may not need to sign in again. Once you are signed in, you will be asked to agree to the terms of service and set up your YouTube TV account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. This may include selecting your location and choosing the channels you want to include in your subscription. After setting up your account, you can start watching live TV, sports, and news with YouTube TV on your Vizio Smart TV. You can also access on-demand content, record your favorite shows, and create a personalized home screen. To access these features, use the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. To get the most out of YouTube TV on your Vizio Smart TV, make sure your internet connection is stable and fast enough to support streaming. A minimum internet speed of 5 megabits per second is recommended for standard definition streaming, while 13 megabits per second or higher is recommended for high definition streaming. By following these steps, you can easily install and set up YouTube TV on your Vizio Smart TV and start enjoying live TV and on-demand content. If you encounter any issues during the installation or setup process, you can refer to the YouTube TV support website for troubleshooting tips and guidance.